Let me show you how to set your SEO in Pagecloud. Open your page panel, and under the SEO tab, you'll see everything you need to help your page get found on Google. Right at the top, you'll see the keyword research tool. That's where you can dig deeper into what people are actually searching for. Then you've got two toggles, visible in search results and follow links. Leave them on. That's how Google finds and crawls your page. Next, the open graph image. That's the preview people see when you share your page on social media. Pick something clean and on brand. Then you've got OG tags, basically your social media preview. They control what people see when your link's shared, so keep it polished. Add an OG title and a Twitter title. Then add your OG description and Twitter description, short, catchy summaries that make people want to click. And for the Twitter card, type summary_large_image. That gives your post a big, clean image preview instead of a tiny thumbnail. Now for the core SEO fields, meta title, description, and keywords. Your meta title is the blue headline on Google. Keep it short, clear, and under 60 characters. The description is that short line under it, around 150 characters that make people want to click. And for the keywords, just add a few simple phrases that describe your page. 1 to 5 is plenty. When you're done, check out the Google preview. This shows exactly how your page will look in the search results. And that's it. Your SEO setup in Pagecloud is good to go. It's just the first step towards helping your site rank higher and reach more people.